Hi guys, so I'm doing a follow-up on my Gollum Jade stem cutting. I did this video a few months back on how to propagate this plant through stem cutting. This was back in late May of this year. So this will be a short video to show you the progression of the stem cutting in 6 months. And 6 weeks later, when I pulled this cutting out of the soil, it only produced one single root, as you can see here. There's 1 or 2 small roots growing. So I put it back in the soil and just, let it do its thing. And I'll show you how it looks now 4 months later. So my husband has been watering this every few days, approximately like once or twice a week at least, because this pot that he's using is a net pot and it dries out really quickly, and also the potting mix he's using is a really fast draining one, as you can see. So here we are now 4 months later. This video was taken in mid-November. And here's how the plant looks now. We just recently moved this outside. It was indoors the whole time. My husband will be transplanting it into this grow bag. He's mainly using bonsai jack and pumice for this. He likes using this blend. I personally think it's too fast draining, but he likes it. He likes using it for his bonsai projects. I personally like soil that retains a little bit more water than this. This is a little too fast draining for me, but he tends to water his plants more than me. So let's take a look to see what's going on underneath the soil and see if it's grown more roots or not. So yes, it looks like it's gotten a lot more roots. It's grown more than that from that 1 single or 2 small roots. So yeah, it's looking great. It's amazing how much it's grown from 4 months ago. That just shows you that sometimes propagating these plants may take longer than expected, but if you don't give up, then you'll see results eventually. Sometimes it just depends on the growing season of the plant and the environment where it grows. So yeah, I'm happy to see this much progress. And here it is now transplanted into its new home. And another 3 weeks have passed, guys. Just wanted to show you how this plant is doing now before I end this video. There's a lot of new growth and new leaves popping out. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. There's some new growth going on here. And some over there. And some more over here. Also, I wanted to point out that the edges have turned red again, just from being outdoors and in the sun more and exposed to the elements. It was more green just 3 weeks ago, and here's a side-by-side comparison. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe if this is the type of content you'd like to see. Thanks so much for your support. Really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Happy gardening! Here's the final side-by-side from start to finish.